Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to clean Samsung Dishwasher DW80R2031US filter spray arms and tube deep clean. Fix 1. Clean the filter system. You just have to open the door and fully pull out the bottom disc rack. Unlock the filter by twisting the circular handle counterclockwise. Lift the assembly by pulling the cylindric microfilter and flat mesh screen straighten up. Rinse all the part under a warm running water. Scrub away debris using a soft toothbrush to remove grease or trapped food. Lock the assembly back in by reinserting the flat screen, placing the cylinder on a top and turn clockwise until it clicks. Fix 2. Clean the spray arms. You just have to remove the lower arm by pulling the bottom spray arm straighten up to snap it out. Inspect the nozzle hole and clear the cloth using a toothpick. Rinse the arm by running warm water through the central hole to fuse out debris. Snap the arm back in by pushing it down onto its mold until it clicks into the place. Wipe down the top spray arm with a damp cloth. Do not remove it. Fix 3. Deep clean the interior tube. You just have to clean the rubber seal around the door with a damp cloth and mild soap. Wipe away any loose food particles at the bottom of the tube. Place an dishwasher shaped bowl filled with 1 cup of white vinegar on the top rack. Select the normal or heavy cycle with sanitize option turned on. Start the cycle with no dishes or a dishwasher detergent inside. Thanks for watching.